Demystifying English, a dive into object pronouns. Hello language enthusiasts, welcome to our English language learning channel. In this episode, we're going to learn about object pronouns and relative clauses, an important part of English grammar. So, buckle up and let's dive into the wonderful world of object pronouns. First off, let's recall what object pronouns are. In English, these are words like him, her, it, us, you, them, and me. We use these words when they're the object of a verb or preposition. Here's an example. John loves her. In this case, her is an object pronoun that's the object of the verb loves. Now, let's look at object pronouns in relative clauses. Relative clauses are parts of a sentence that describe a noun. They often start with relative pronouns like who, which, or that. However, when these clauses refer to objects, we can use object pronouns. Consider the sentence, I bought a book that you recommended. Here, that is an object pronoun referring to book. But since it's in a relative clause, we could also say, I bought a book you recommended, dropping that entirely. Here are some examples to clarify this point. 1. This is the person who, I met at the party. Or, this is the person I met at the party. 2. That's the dog that bit me. Or, that's the dog bit me. 3. Here's the letter that you were looking for. Or, here's the letter you were looking for. As you can see, we can often omit the object pronouns in relative clauses in English. However, it's important to know that you can't drop the pronoun if it's the subject of the relative clause. For example, the woman who lives next door is a doctor. Here, who is the subject of the clause, lives next door, so we cannot drop it. And that's it for this episode, folks. I hope this has made object pronouns in relative clauses a little clearer for you. Keep practicing and using these structures in your English conversations. Remember, the key to learning a language is practice, practice, and more practice. Until next time, happy learning!